Once upon a time, in the kingdom of Arendelle, lived a kind and beautiful princess named Elsa. One night, Elsa woke up with a strange feeling. She felt like she had a special mission to accomplish. She decided to take a walk in the moonlit garden. As she strolled, she noticed a group of little animals huddled together, shivering in the cold. "Oh, dear," Elsa said, "I must warm them up." With a wave of her magic wand, she created a beautiful, warm blanket of snowflakes. The animals were amazed as they snuggled under the soft, glowing blanket. Elsa spent the night chatting with the animals, learning about their lives and sharing stories of her own. The next morning, the animals thanked Elsa for her kindness. They promised to help her in any way they could, if she ever needed it. Elsa smiled, feeling happy and content. She realized that even the smallest act of kindness could make a big difference in the world. From that day forward, Elsa made it her mission to help those in need, whether it be animals, her subjects, or her sister, Anna. And so, the kingdom of Arendelle flourished, filled with love, kindness, and magic. The end.